Koria rero niga matemo manene y'ikirasi g'ikumi na kabiri KCSE ose Kenya Certificate of Secondary achaka ase ben ase chiskuru chonsi chi secondary meyense ya Kenya. Mwaziri w'ekisemi CS Migos Ogamba imambi ya rero nigo ara murubiri yubuko gara matemo ayo imeye county ya Kwale. Migos niga teba buna matemo akepsea nigo na KJSEA nigo arachigosoka umutinyu gocha na ya KCSE achigosoka umutinyu mutangani umwakugocha.
When the main heavy theory exams for KCSE starts, for the last 2 weeks we've been undertaking the examination across the country for both KCSE and KJSE, and also KCS practicals, which have gone smoothly without any instances. KCSE was completed on Thursday, 30th of October, and KCSE is being completed today as we start KCSE, which will run up to 21st of November this year. We anticipate that KCSE and KJSE's results will be released in December, and KCSE results will be released in January. Ladies and gentlemen, we have had the largest number this year of students undertaking these examinations, a total of over 3.4 million of them. 2.4 being KJSEA and KCSE, and around 996,078 being KCSE. So KCSE begins today. It will run up to 21st as I've indicated, and as a ministry through NEC, we put in place measures to ensure that there is a smooth administration of this cycle of exams. Our teams, field officers, center managers, supervisors, invigilators, and everybody else that we are working with, including teams from the national government through the Ministry of Interior, teams from ICT, teams from the Teacher Service Commission, are all working together using the multi-agency approach to ensure that all these examinations are undertaken in a commendable and clean manner. Because we are discouraging, as always, we are discouraging anyone engaging in any sort of malpractice or irregularity during this examination period. NEC, through the ministry and other players, has put a lot of security measures in this year's examinations.